It's also so good. What's up, everyone? It's Jessica. In today's video, I will be going through the top products that are coming with me in 2024 that can make you smell good, feel good, and at this point, look good, honey. So if you're into that, let's get into this. So the first product on my list is this Chanel Chance. This is what the bottle looks like. So the actual perfume does have a light pink tint, and it's such a nice, feminine spring scent. I love it so much. Let's actually spray it right now. It smells very floral. So if you're into floral scents, I've definitely checked this out. This usually goes for a little bit under $200, I believe, at Macy's. I'm sure you can probably find it maybe even cheaper at other places, but that's the price for this actual size bottle. So if you're interested in a nice light but still gives that floral and spring scent, feminine scent, I would definitely check this out. Next on my list is this very small, but she holds a lot of weight, and this is the Versace Bright Crystal. What the packaging looks like. Very, very grown. It's also so good. It's also very much travel friendly. I remember bringing this on the plane and it passed the TSA checkpoint. So if you're looking for a nice fragrance to wear on vacation, this is definitely a good one to put in your travel cases. So this one I actually found, I believe, at Marshall's, and I think it was just about $30 or less. And the smell is just incredible. This is also a nice date night perfume. So if you're feeling like date night, or if you're just, hanging out with your friends and you want to look good and you want to smell good, definitely go for your Versace Bright Crystal. Next on my list is this Pistachio Brulee Eau de Perfume. I think that's how you say it, Eau de Parfum. And I gotta get my French right. This is what the packaging looks like. I got this from Urban Outfitters. It just caught my attention one time, and I'm a person who loves fragrances, so it just happened to catch my attention. And it definitely is a very much a vanilla scent, and I feel like it has a little bit of wood in it, like a sandalwood. So if you're into vanilla mixed with a little spice or a little bit of wood, definitely check out Pistachio Brulee at Urban Outfitters. Here it says it goes for $18. I'm not sure if the price went up because I did get this probably like 2 years ago. And if you want a nice everyday perfume, check Urban Outfitters out. The next item is this big staple. I mean, it's very popular. This is the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. And this is the packaging. It's definitely going down. I am about to, hit pan with this. I love to wear this every day. It's more like a fall scent, but I love to wear it all year round. This is what the packaging looks like. Very classy, very upscale. It has like this metal type of packaging, and then it has like the peephole of how much perfume is left in the bottle. So I think that's pretty cool. I smell vanilla, I smell wood. This is definitely very strong, and that's why I like to wear it all year round. This is like a staple, a must-have in every girl's collection. So by itself, the website is saying this goes for about $130 at Macy's, but I also believe you can get this in a nice package, probably for less than maybe $200, less than $250. So definitely check out your local Macy's for the Black Opium in a nice package, and it definitely makes a nice gift. This next item is another travel-friendly perfume that I personally like. I think it's very much a spring and summer scent, and it's this Zara Wonder Rose. That's what the packaging looks like. It's like a very pretty amber color, and it just smells so good. Like to wear every day. I remember I brought this with me to Florida one time, and I just sprayed it every single day because it just smells so good, and it's a nice everyday perfume. Usually you can find these like 2 in a pack for no more than, I believe, $30 or $35. I don't know what the prices are now, but usually you can find these for a pretty good deal. I think under $50 for 2, and you have a nice, 2-set collection. So the other one my mom does have, and I believe it has ran out. That's how much she had liked the other scent. The other scent had a purple top, and I don't remember what it was called, but it was also a very nice scent. And I think it was more of a nighttime scent as opposed to this one. This is more like a daytime scent, and the other one was like a nice spicy nighttime scent. But yeah, Wonder Rose is definitely top on the list, and it just smells amazing. So if you're looking for an everyday perfume, check out Zara. Another everyday scent that I totally love from Zara is this Ebony Wood, and this is what it looks like. It is actually all gone. That's how much I loved it. Honestly, the best, I think, most affordable perfume for women, or I think even men too. I think it's a unisex type of fragrance, but it is the best everyday fragrance I've ever probably put my hands on. No lie. I honestly would get this again and again and again and again because I just feel like it's very long lasting, and instantly you can smell the fragrance, and that's what I like about this perfume so much. Jo Malone, you did your thing with this. Like, it definitely smells more like a sandalwood, and it's giving chestnuts roasting on an open fire. But you can definitely wear this all year round and get away with it. I need another one. But ladies, Ebony Wood, this is what it looks like. Check it out at Zara. So recently I came across this perfume, and it's called Miss Dior. And I actually got this in my birthday gift last year from Sephora, and I honestly love, it's very small because it's like a sample size, but I love how it smells. I've been wearing it every day to work so far, and I love it. I love the simplicity of it. It smells very girly. It's giving feminine, it's giving girly, and it's also giving floral. It's giving floral. So if you're into that, definitely check out Miss Dior. The full size bottle is going for about $100 at Ulta Beauty, and I believe maybe even $200 at Macy's, but this is the sample size. And I just found out that the full size bottle is also being sold on Amazon, so make sure you check out Amazon for the full size bottle in this. My next and final perfume fragrance is this In the Stars Fine Fragrance Mist, and it's by Bath and Body Works. And I recently came across it in my closet, and I was just like, oh, it just smells so good. I love spraying this on me after spraying on my heavier perfumes, like my main perfumes. I like to just go and spray my whole outfit before I walk out the door with this every single day before going to work, just as a nice body mist. So if you're looking for a nice body mist, this is called In the Stars. You can check it out on bathandbodyworks.com. Now I'm going to get into fragrance body creams. And of course, first on my list is this Fenty Skin Butter Drop Whipped Cream. And it comes in this nice sturdy container. It's like a lavender color. And this is what the cream looks like inside. It is very thick. This is what my arm is looking like before I put the cream on. Put the cream on my elbow. Look at the instant glow. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the instant glow, it is just amazing. Amazing. I love this cream. This cream can actually range from $32 to $46, I believe, on the Sephora website and on the Fenty Skin website. Honestly, I think I got this like 2-3 years ago, and I still haven't like made too much of a dent in it. I mainly like to use it during the warmer months, and when I use it, I don't put on too much because it is very thick, and a little bit goes a long way with this. I don't like to put on too much because I feel like if you do, well, for me, when I put on too much, I feel like my body becomes overheated because it's so thick. The cream is just very thick and it's very insulating in a way. So that's why I still have enough to last me probably this year and until next year, but we'll see how the summer goes. Next on my list is this Sol de Janeiro, and it's the Balm Dia Bright Cream, and it's also the Coco Cabana cream. I also have the yellow one. The yellow one I feel like is the best smelling one, and I feel like it's the most popular one. So yeah, you could debate me later, but yeah, I feel like the yellow one is the best smelling one. But I also do like these. These definitely give like nice island vibes, but this peach colored one is infused with renewing fruit AHAs and vitamin C, and I don't think you can wear it while you're in the sun because of a certain ingredient in this one. So just keep that in mind. And this one, it smells like, yeah, it just smells like coconuts. Hence the name Coco Cabana. So whether you're into coconut or whether you're into just like an island tropical scent, more of an island tropical scent, you can check these out at Sephora. I looked on the Sephora website, and a lot of these come in like packages, nice gifting packages for, I believe, anywhere between $30 and $38. So, and you get like, I think you get a cream and you get a perfume and just a nice little gifting set. So I would definitely check out Sephora.com or Amazon and see what's over there and find out, and go into the store and see what you like. Just use the testers and see what you like. So next on my list are these small little hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works. As you can see, I thoroughly enjoyed using this one. This one is called Luminous, and this one is called Pure Wonder. I actually got these on sale, I believe, in December. I believe Bath & Body Works usually has like an end of season sale. So I think these were like the holiday scents, but honestly, I don't mind using a holiday scent in the springtime. So these normally go for $1.95, but I got them on sale for like 98 cents each. And this one, Luminous, smells really good. It smells like a perfume. I did post the shorts and I got a lot of feedback about this one. A lot of people know about Luminous. So shout out to my subscribers who know about Luminous. Hey girl, hey. And then this one is Pure Wonder. This is the one I'm currently using, and it smells like, it's giving winter vibes, but it smells very clean and very fresh, and it's very, very strong. If you put it on around people, someone's instantly gonna smell what you're putting on. So if you like fragranced hand sanitizer, check these out at Bath & Body Works. Another fragrance that I've been loving so far from Bath & Body Works is called You're the One, and it's the Shea Butter hand cream in this small little container, 1 fluid ounce, and it just smells so good. This is like another holiday seasonal fragrance, and I believe it came out during a Valentine's Day, I think during the pandemic, I believe in 2020 or 2021, and I still have this because I stocked up when I went there, and it just smells so good. I actually got compliments from my boss. He's a male, by the way. He's like, "What are you wearing?" And it was this hand cream I showed him, and it's called You're the One. So if you want a nice smelling hand cream or just a cream in general, check out You're the One by Bath & Body Works. You will not be disappointed. I don't remember how much I got this for, but right now the packaging does say $6.50, but you can always catch a sale and snag you a little deal. The next and final product on my list is this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil, and this is what the packaging looks like. The reason I'm showing you this is because I know there is like a hack. Like if you put on, let's do it now. If you put on a little bit of Vaseline on your body, so I'll just put some on right here. It is, and then you put on, I'm gonna pick my Versace Bright Crystal and just spray it on. It is said to make your fragrance last even longer. This is what people say, like if you put on Vaseline and then put your fragrance on top, it does, I can smell it. I can definitely smell it. But this is the Vitalizing Body Oil for healthy, glowing skin. I love this. This is definitely a nice staple to have, especially for the warmer months coming up when you want that glow. You can usually find this at Target. I'm sure Amazon has it, but definitely check this out because, you know, it's just a very good staple to have to combat dry skin and to look really good for the spring and summer months. You can usually find this at Target, I believe, for no more than $6.49. It's also being sold on Amazon for, I believe, a pack of 3 for like $20. So either way it's kind of like a win-win. So make sure you check this out. I can definitely smell my perfume right now. It is like, it's definitely projecting. Mind you, when you put on the Vaseline, then you put on your perfume, it is gonna project. It is true. I just tested it. So that concludes the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.